Here we are, third annual
Jorgensen
Firework car race.
Are we ready? We have Mitch, we have Aaron, we have Brooke, we have Chase, we have Andrea, we have Riley, we have Hannah, we have Lauren and Brent. On your marks, get set, race!
I'm pretty sure I lit my car on fire.
Woo! Who did that? And the winner is...
Oh, now your tank is just being cocky.
And the winner is...
Second place. Second place. I didn't start.
You're racing.
I did not move an inch.
Cheryl?
Yes.
I'd like to present the third annual trophy to Mitch.
Mitch.
Is it out?
Let's pretend it's golden.
Okay,
I have so many people to thank for this. I'd like to thank Ozzy. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Till next year, everybody. Say bye. Woo! Good race.
Jorgen race.